for Belly Flop Championships.
Right guys, so it's day 2. We're in Hotel Ibis Autumn. We're in autumn. Yes, I am sat on the toilet. I had a steak last night. I can't remember what I had. Some burger thing. Banging, absolutely banging. We went to that bowling place. And now we have a 4.5 journey to Grenoble. And then it's the mountains. Do some twisties. And let's do this.
What's up guys, so it's day 2, as I said in the intro, on the toilet. We're gonna go fill up at the petrol station. My backpack is sat a bit far forward today, but that's alright, we'll sort it. I have got my levers on, but we're only popping down to the petrol station. That's why my gloves are there, not on my hands. But everything is Gucci. She's quite attractive. We're good. Yeah, my arms are gonna be dead today because of how, like, there we go, that's okay. We've got to find the right position because, like, I'm quite sat forward. I'm like on the tank because of my I put my rucksack on the backwards, so it's pushing up against me, if that makes sense. Oh, it's literally here. Sick. Right, let's fill up. He's already indicating noob.
I really need your love right now. I'm fitting fast, not gonna last. I'm really stupid. I'm burning up, I'm going down, I'm in it bad. Don't even ask. When I find myself in the middle, in the middle, in the middle, could you love me more, just a little, just a little? Overcomplicate, but it's simple, but it's simple, but it's simple. Will you love me more, just a little? So tell me now, when every star falls from the sky and every last star in the world
That's insane.
I saw the hill drop away and there was parking, so I thought that's going to be a good one.
Yeah.
26 miles to go.
Yeah, it's not far now. It's been alright actually.
That's just for the first stop.
Yeah, I know. And then what, we got like 3 hours after that?
Something like that.
It ain't bad. Like, we'll get food and stuff and then smash it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, on the motorway, I came off on junction 11, supposed to come off on 12. So I came off there, quickly turned around, couldn't then rejoin the motorway. So I had to come around through this farm, literally went through a farmyard, and then I found this road, and then I rejoined the other roundabout.
You know when we got to the twisty bit, well, there's been quite a lot of twisty bits, and you shut off, a cop pulled out behind me.
Really?
So I had a cop sat behind me. I was like, fuck, man.
I don't know why you're going so slow.
Yeah.
GS 500 beat
I think that's the first ever false neutral I've ever hit on this bike. Noob. Oh, so beautiful. I think this is where the fun begins. Cheer. I'm sorry, Cheddar, I love you. But that beats. That beats Cheddar, easy.
I'll take every single piece of the blame if you want to. But you know that there is no innocent one in this game too. I'll go, and you go, I didn't spill all the truth. Can we go, say the words, and forget this? Yeah, is it too late now to say sorry? 'Cause I'm missing more than just your body. Oh,
she's hot.
Is it too late now to say sorry?
She's hot.
Yeah, I know all that I let you down. Is it too late to say sorry now? I'm just trying to get you back on me. 'Cause I'm missing more than just your body. Oh, is it too late now to say sorry? Yeah, I know all that I let you down. Is it too late to say sorry now? I'm sorry. Yeah. I'm sorry. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, I know all that I let you down. Is it too late to say sorry now? I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Bonjour. Je suis Jack. Fuck you.
No, do not put that. No.